Hi guys, this is a short tutorial on how you can link your social media account to your Amazon account. First, you want to be on this link, this page right here. So go to the link affiliate-program.amazon.com/influencer. It's linked down below. So once you have this page show up, you just have to go to sign up. Once you click sign up, it shows you to choose an Amazon account for your influencer content. You can either use an existing customer account or create a new account. So I already have my account signed in. I'll just click on my account and it shows you the various social media platforms to check your eligibility with. You have Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Remember, I told you if you have to use Facebook, it has to be a Facebook page and not a Facebook account. On Instagram, that is what I already have my Instagram linked. That's what I use currently on my Amazon account. So let's try with YouTube. I know it might just be a denial because this YouTube has been dead for over 5 years. Let's try it. For the sake of this tutorials, let's use YouTube. If I click on YouTube, sign up with YouTube, you click, and then it's going to show you all the Gmails and emails signed into this account. I'll use the first one, that's where I have my YouTube account. It shows me the various YouTube channels that I also have there, and I click the one that I want to use. And okay, this is the screen that I get. It says, "Thank you for applying. We appreciate your interest in the Amazon Influencer Program. Unfortunately, your account does not meet the eligibility requirement at this time. Visit Amazon Associate to see if that program is right for you." You can always try and try and try again. Like I said, if you didn't get in the first time, you can always try again. What they're actually looking for is some engagement. They want to see that you can drive engagement from your social media platform to the Amazon website. So you can work on getting engagement within a few days and you try again. There's no limit to trying this one. You can always try and try and try. All right, that's it. Thank you. Bye.